Creating a whitewash with milk paint is very easy and great for that beachy or cottage vibe. Simply mix your milk paint to a thinner consistency by adding more water, approximately 2 parts water to 1 part milk paint. Watch our How to Mix Milk Paint video tutorial for more in-depth instruction. Apply 1 coat of the mix to your surface. You can see as the paint dries, it gets more opaque. Once dry, lightly sand the surface to smooth it out. Apply our liming wax to increase the look of the whitewash effect. You can simply use a clear wax or hemp oil for a less intense whitewash finish. After the wax, you can always pass over it again with another light sanding to see more colors come through for more dimension. If you're applying it to a previously coated surface, you may need to add the bonding agent into your mix.